If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error that says, "Oops, something went wrong, please try again later," don't worry, this is usually a simple browser or connection issue, and in this video I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it. We're going to clear your cookies and cache, turn off any VPN if you have one enabled, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to refresh your connection. If this video helps you, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get right into it. First, on your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This will open the browser's Clear Browsing Data window. Once it appears, make sure you select Cookies and Cached Files, and if available, choose the time range that covers all time so everything old and corrupted gets removed. Then click the Clear button and wait for the process to finish. After that, close the browser completely and open x.com or Twitter again to see if the error is gone. If you still see the message, the next thing to do is disable any VPN you may have turned on. Sometimes VPNs can interfere with x.com's connection and trigger this error, so pause it or turn it off completely, then refresh the page and try again. If the issue is still there, switch your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, turn it off and try using mobile data instead. If you're already on mobile data, connect to a different Wi-Fi network and test again. This helps rule out connection problems and can often fix the error right away. After each step, go back and reload x.com to check if it's working properly. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve the issue immediately. So again, the full fix is simple. Clear cookies and cache, disable your VPN, and toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more quick fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.